The Orotig Canova 50 laser engraving machine isn't just for engraving, it's also for precision cutting. Whether you're cutting out intricate charms, tags or decorative jewellery components, the Canova delivers clean, accurate results that cut with ease. Unlike traditional cutters, it uses a high-speed 50-watt fibre laser. This produces detailed cuts on precious metals with no burrs, no mess, just precision. Start by grabbing the magnetic ring attachment which comes with the machine purchase. It's designed to hold your metal sheet firmly in place while you insert your metal and secure it with the magnetic ring on top. Now use the Touch Pro tool to automatically detect the correct height for the laser focus. In the Marko Software, open a new project, give it a name and import your vector design file from your desktop. Adjust the design's dimensions and scale it to your desired size. Now click the Preview button. The Canova's red laser guide will project the outline directly onto your metal sheet, allowing you to check the position before cutting. Make sure in this stage you choose the Cut option, not Mark for engraving. This tells the machine to fully cut through your metal, then engrave on top. In the highlighted red zones here, you'll see all the external lines. These are all the layers it's going to cut, showing on the right hand side, with the outline square to cut last for a clean separation. In the black zones here, the internal cuts are shown again on the right hand side, like holes or inner cutouts, again ordered by layers in the cut sequence. Check the outmost border one last time. Use the preview again for full accuracy before cutting begins. Place the dust extraction arms near the work area to remove any metal dust or particles and then close the lid. Once you're happy with the preview and placement, press the blue Engrave button to start the cutting process. Now watch as the laser precisely cuts through the metal, following your design cuts layer by layer. The Canova Orotig 50 is a compact, high-performance laser machine that cuts and engraves with incredible detail. It's air-cooled, equipped with integrated fume extraction and comes with the user-friendly Marko software. Perfect for working with silver, gold, platinum and other metals. This machine can engrave text, images, logos and cut out detailed designs all from one unit. Your finished piece is ready to remove and inspect, clean, precise and ready. From engraving rings to cutting out intricate charms, the Canova does it all in one powerful compact machine. Book a free demo online or visit us in store to see the Canova in action and discover how it can transform your jewellery workspace.